You want to improve your English? Well, you gotta watch this video. Hi everyone, it's Scott from That's English School. Today, we're going to be learning about how to use gotta. Here is today's lineup. Now, first, we're going to talk about what is gotta. After that, the basic grammar. Next, I'll give you some songs with gotta in the title. After that, we're going to give you 3 points of advice. And finally, I will give you 10 example sentences with gotta. Okay, I think we gotta get started. What is gotta? It's basically a shortened version of have got to becomes gotta. So grammatically it's the same as have to and have got to. How do we make gotta? So you have got to and the got to part, so the O at the end of to becomes an A and they join together and becomes have gotta. Here is the basic grammar setup. In all of these examples, I'm going to use the verb go, just to keep things simple. Basic sentences. When we use the personal pronouns I, you, they, and we use the word have. So you say, I've gotta go. You've gotta go. However, when we use the personal pronouns he, she, it, and a name, have, of course, becomes has with an S. So we would say, he's gotta go. She's gotta go. Making questions. So you follow the same rules as before. It's either have or has, depending on the personal pronoun. So for example, have you gotta go? Have they gotta go? Has he gotta go? Has John gotta go? Negative sentences. So using gotta in a negative sentence is actually not so common. Most people would probably use don't have to, but here's what it looks like with gotta. Remember, the not always goes before the got. You can see it down in green. He's not gotta go. John's not gotta go. Okay, let's give you some advice. Now, the first point of advice is about the pronunciation of gotta. Now, it's kind of in between gada and gara. So you can see the first part of the gotta is pronounced more strongly than the end part. Gotta, gotta, gotta. I gotta go home. I gotta go home. I gotta do my homework. I gotta do my homework. I gotta get some sleep. I gotta get some sleep. Now, did you notice in those examples I didn't use have? I completely dropped it. So if you don't use have in the sentence, it sounds even more casual. You can hear this a lot in movies and in drama and in everyday conversation. Can you feel the difference between these three patterns? I have got to study this weekend. I've got to study this weekend. I got to study this weekend. The second piece of advice I have for you is using gotta meaning have got a. So it's often used for possessions, relationships, and disease. The meaning is the same as have and have got, but I'm going to talk about them later in advice point 3. For example, I have got a new PC. I've got a new PC. I have got a sister. I've got a sister. I have got a cold. I've got a cold. Okay, now here is an important point. Have gotta, when you're talking about a noun, it must be followed by a singular noun, meaning just one thing. For example, I have got a dog. I've got a dog. So a dog means one dog, only one. I've got a dog. So we cannot say, I've got a 3 dogs. I've got a 3 dogs. Because we're not talking about only one dog, we're talking about many dogs, 2 or 3 or more dogs. So you cannot use gotta for this one. He has got a CD. He's got a CD. That means only one CD. He's got a CD. We can't say, he's got a 5 CDs. He's got a 5 CDs. No, we can't say that because it's 5. It's not only one, it's 5. So you cannot use gotta. The third point of advice. What's the difference between have to and have got to? Well, have got to is a little more casual. Have to is a little more formal, but the meaning is the same. The sentences are constructed in the same way, and grammatically, they are both correct. You shouldn't worry too much about it. It's not such a big deal. Anyway, you've just gotta speak English. Okay, one last piece of advice. If you want to sound stronger, then it's better to use the full form of have got to. You have gotta watch that movie. You have got to watch that movie. Can you feel the difference? You have got to watch that movie is much stronger, and you've gotta watch that movie seems more casual. Here are some songs with gotta in the title. Jonas Brothers, What a Man Gotta Do. Triple A, Gotta Love Me. The Black Eyed Peas, I Got a Feeling. One Direction, Gotta Be You. Desiree, You Gotta Be. Here's some example sentences using gotta. You've got to call your wife. Pronto. I've got to get a haircut.
Bye-bye.
We've got to get out of here. It's the cops. I've got to pee. Where's the bathroom? Keiko's got to catch the last train home. There's got to be some kind of mistake. I've got to finish this report by 5. You gotta help me. We've got to get up early. Good night. Got a pen? The next video in the series is going to be part 4 about kinda. You want to watch it? You gotta watch it. I think it's gonna be kinda good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.